In the era of crime, where officers deal with dangerous criminals daily, handling their children poses unique challenges. Today, we'll discuss two cases where police encountered situations involving officers' children. Starting with the case of Sheriff's Office daughter arrested for DUI.
Did you drive away because you're scared because you maybe had one drink and you think you're drunk?
Yeah.
And you might get arrested, but you don't seem like you're drunk?
On December 28, 2022, the officer was dispatched to an incident involving a female hitting a vehicle. Upon arrival, they discovered something completely unexpected.
Back from Applebee's?
Yeah, I had a drink.
Okay. How old are you?
21. My dad is
Listen, your bumper's in the road over there. Did you just hit that pole?
No, I promise I did not.
No? You left Applebee's.
Yeah, I left Applebee's.
You cut through the plaza. You came out by Lowe's and Chick-fil-A.
Yeah.
Did you hit the traffic pole that's right there?
No, I did not hit the traffic pole. This part was hanging off already. I hit a deer in Pennsylvania because I go to school in...
Do you smoke marijuana recreationally?
No, I do not smoke marijuana universally.
During the investigation, they found a 21-year-old girl claiming her father was a sheriff's officer and wanted to call him.
I hit a Pennsylvania deer.
You see this?
I hit a deer before this. You can ask my dad.
This piece fell off at the traffic light that you hit, that you knocked over.
6'7". Do you have another unit out with you?
You call my dad? He's a sheriff's
All right.
officer.
Hang out.
The officer began investigating the cause of the crash. The girl admitted she was drunk, providing an explanation for the incident.
Did you drive away because you're scared because you maybe had one drink and you think you're drunk?
Yeah.
And you might get arrested, but you don't seem like you're drunk?
Yes.
So you want to just tell the truth?
Yes, I'm telling you the
So when after Applebee's, did you hit a traffic pole? You can't miss it. It lights up. It's red, green, and yellow.
I hit a curb.
You hit a traffic signal.
No, I hit a curb.
Yeah, you went up the curb, you hit the traffic signal fell down, and you
I
left.
was texting. If you just
Okay.
call my dad, he would tell you.
Well,
He's a sheriff's officer,
here's the thing.
I promise
Your dad, the
you.
sheriff's officer, wasn't driving your vehicle today.
The officer sought a thorough understanding of the situation from her father, likely to ensure accuracy in the investigation or to provide necessary assistance. This exchange suggests the seriousness of the matter and the involvement of law enforcement in addressing it effectively.
What's going on?
Hey, John, how are you? So your daughter hit a traffic law. Okay. Where's the damage on the car?
Okay, the damage on the car there, I think it was like the front right bumper. Can I come out? You guys out there?
That's up to you. I'll see if she wants you to come out, if she wants, you to drive her home.
Yeah, I appreciate it. Let me come out there and I'll see you guys. Thank you.
Okay. All right, sounds good.
The sheriff's officer requested the police department to take appropriate action against her daughter to ensure she learns a valuable lesson.
What's up? So, what she's saying, and where the damage was and everything, doesn't really make too much sense. So, tried to get some more information out of her, but and then that piece of bumper there. So, for the other one, was it just the bumper wasn't hanging like that?
Yeah, no, so what it was is basically this was intact.
Okay.
This piece was missing. The scratches here,
Those were all.
that's all from a deer that she was officers.
So right now, this is going to be my call.
Okay.
Supervisor coming out.
Okay, gotcha.
He's going to be providing all the details.
Okay, who's your supervisor?
Sorry, John Paul.
Not that I'm dude. I'm just asking. I just want to show you this so you can see it. You home 1039. What time do you think that initial call came? Because she probably hit it and was like, "Dad, what the fuck do I do?"
Somewhere between 10:45 and 11.
That's about right.
When we're talking to her, she wasn't telling us what she fed all.
I mean, lying to she knows, but I'm a cop. She knows. She knows not to do that. Well, maybe she didn't even. Do you think she? I'm not. I'm saying she didn't lie.
Yeah.
Okay. I want to be very clear about that.
Yeah.
But she might not even look at the freaking car to see if there's any difference.
And everything that happened today, right? I don't think that you were okay to take the operator from the vehicle.
Dad!
So,
Dad!
You got everything.
Dad! Where's my dad?
Oh, your dad's right over here.
You stop with this shit. Get in the car.
Right,
You're
fix it.
arrested for DUI. Go ahead.
Have a seat.
The daughter was arrested and taken to the police station, facing multiple charges including DUI, driving under the influence, and reckless driving. This action was taken at the request of the sheriff's officer to teach her a lesson about responsible behavior. Now moving towards another disturbing case where a father assaults the officer.
Tell me who I called to find out why he's in jail. You want me to sue the son of a county sheriff?
On November 9th, 2020, the officer stopped a vehicle investigating a theft or burglary warrant, but discovered something completely unexpected.
How's it going?
I'm good. What did I do wrong?
Good. So the reason I stopped you is you didn't come to complete stop the stop sign,
I did.
and then you didn't have your turn signal on.
I sure did.
Okay.
I know for a fact I had my turn signal on.
Okay.
That's why I was surprised you were pulling me over. But
Okay. Can I get you to step out of the vehicle with me?
what are you doing? No. What's going on? Seriously, what's going on?
You have a warrant.
How do I have a warrant?
I don't know how you have a warrant, but it's on our system right now. You have an active warrant out of 7th District Court here in San Juan.
I've gone to. No, that's incorrect. Because
Okay.
I've gone.
Well,
to
it's on our system right now.
Well, you.
I'm not going to argue with you about it. You're going to go to jail tonight on that warrant, okay?
No, I'm not, dude. This is absurd.
Mr. Adams, you do have an active warrant for your arrest.
And who issued the warrant though?
The court's
The
have
court.
it issued.
For what though? Because I've gone to court for everything. There should not be an active warrant for me anywhere, dude.
Utah lawmaker Bruce Adams angrily confronted deputies with profanity after his burglar son was arrested, despite being shown a valid warrant.
Issued October 13th.
For what?
It has some felony charges, burglary charges.
Dude, I've been to court for that. No, I've been to court for that.
You want to know the charges?
Yeah, I do.
So it has 2 burglary charges listed, a theft charge, mischief,
That's on my old case.
3 charges of burglary of a vehicle, and
Yeah.
criminal trespass.
Yeah, why is that floating at me?
Upon arrival, Adams demanded to see the warrant immediately, but Deputy Holyoke explained he couldn't display personal returns on his computer. Commissioner Bruce Adams angrily demanded to see the warrant immediately and insisted deputies release his arrested son, pointing at them while making his demands.
Where's Kenneth?
He's in jail. They took him.
You already took him to jail?
They took him to jail, and I stayed here with the car.
Why?
For a warrant.
Who do I call to find out?
To find out the warrant?
You're a police officer. Tell me who I called to find out why he's in jail.
I gotta be careful with this stuff, Bruce. You understand that? Okay. That's the warrant. Okay, so it says warrant status active, offense burglary, burglary, theft, criminal mischief, burglary of a vehicle, burglary of a vehicle, burglary of a vehicle.
He's already been to court over that.
It's, you saw the warrant right there. I showed you a warrant.
He's been charged with that, and he has a plea in abeyance on all of it.
What do you want me to do?
I want you to turn him loose.
I can't turn him loose, Bruce.
Who can?
Nobody can. He's been arrested for a warrant. The courts can.
And the warrant's false.
Huh? The warrant's not false.
You want me to sue the son of a county sheriff because he arrested my kid on a false warrant?
The warrant's right there.
Despite getting special access to see the warrant, Commissioner Adams continued berating deputies, demanding his son's release and using his influence to intimidate them. Body cam footage showed. The officer remained calm, arresting Adams's son and taking him to the station where he faced charges for his actions. Thank you for watching the video. Hope you all liked it. Please subscribe, like, and share our videos.